WEL-CENTRE, your companion in education.
Today, we are going to learn about the magic E. That's right. When the letter E hides at the end of a word, it does something magical. It changes the vowel sound. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, look at this word, cap. C-A-P. Cap. The A says its short sound, A. Say the word with me, cap. Great! Now watch. I'm going to add a magic E at the end. C-A-P-E. Now the A says its long sound, A. And we get the word cape. Say it with me, cape. Now let's meet the AKE family, as in cake. When we put C in front as K, the word becomes K-ake. Say the word after me, cake. Now let's add letter L as the sound L. Then the word becomes L-ake. Say the word after me, lake. When we put R in front as the word becomes ake. Say the word after me, rake. Now, let's add letter B as the sound B. Then the word becomes b-ake. Say the word after me, bake. Let's say them all together. Cake, lake, rake, bake. One more time, fast. Cake, lake, rake, bake. You're on fire!
Your companion in education.